How to call on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can call on WeChat. So to call, the first step is to launch the WeChat application. So I must let you know that to make a call on WeChat is simple. All right, it's very simple. Just like other messaging platforms, you can always make calls on WeChat. So once you've launched the WeChat application, the next thing is to go to your chat list and choose the contact you want to video call. All right. Now, for me, so far, I don't have any chat list. So, if you do, you can just go to your contacts, click on the contact option, and then select any of your chats here. So, once you selected the chats that you would like to video call, click on send a message, and then on the chat page, move to the bottom right corner where you can see the plus icon, and then click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, amongst the options displayed here, you will see the option video call. And the reason you cannot see this on my screen is because currently I am chat. This is my name and this is my account, and I cannot video call myself. That is why the option is not displayed. But for another chat, you will see the option video call here. Select it and then wait for your contact to accept the call. Once connected, you can see and hear each other in real life. And the same thing applies for audio call as well. So feel free to share special moments or collaborate seamlessly. But this is how you can call on WeChat. Thanks for watching and have a good day.